Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on Appy Pie, the ultimate no-code platform that empowers anyone to design and launch mobile apps without a single line of code. If you've ever dreamed of creating an app but felt daunted by the complexity of programming, this tutorial is for you. In today's world, having a mobile app is almost essential for businesses, entrepreneurs, and creatives to connect with their audience, streamline operations, or even bring innovative ideas to life. But hiring developers or learning to code can be expensive and time consuming. This is where Appy Pie steps in as a game changer. With its user-friendly interface, affordable plans, and powerful customization options, Appy Pie makes app development accessible to everyone, regardless of technical expertise. From creating shopping apps for e-commerce to loyalty apps for restaurants or fitness tracking apps, the possibilities are endless. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to design, customize, and launch your app with confidence. So before we get started, first, what is Appy Pie? So Appy Pie is a cloud-based no-code development platform designed for beginners and professionals alike. It enables users to create feature-rich apps, websites, chatbots, and more without the need for programming knowledge. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a business owner, or a creative individual, Appy Pie offers all the tools you need to create an app quickly and efficiently. It supports both iOS and Android platforms, ensuring your app can reach a broad audience. So now let's get started. So simply head over to appypie.com, which is their website, and from here simply click on Get Started and sign up for an account. After signing up for an account, you will be greeted with this homepage right here. So basically, this is how your dashboard will look like. So as you can see, you can build, so you can create, customize, and enhance your app or website with no code builder. You can also automate, so you can integrate multiple apps to automate your workflows. You can also design, so transform ideas into stunning visuals with the magic of AI design. And of course, you can always build a chatbot with Appy Pie. So from here in the left hand side, you can only see settings such as multi-factor authentication for your Appy Pie account. You can also adjust your privacy settings right here, such as delete your account, your privacy preference, your data access, or the DSR request. You can also manage your subscription right here. We have the Help Center, change language, and switch products. So now let's go back to our homepage. So to build an app, just simply get started here in build. Now we will be redirected to another page. So as you can see, what will you create first? Do you want a native mobile app, a responsive website, custom domains, or custom business email? So let's say you want to create a new app. So select the mobile app, enter your business name, and just going to type in test right here. So choose the category that fits best. Let's say restaurant and food. You can pick a color scheme you like. Let's say this cheerful cherry. Select which device to test your app on. Let's select iOS. And now let's just click on save and continue first. And from here in this page, you will now be able to customize and design your mobile app. So as of now, the page is unresponsive, but you'll just get the hang of it when it responds with your time. So you'll be able to drag and drop features such as the pages, such as your home page, the orders page, and so on. So now let's move on to creating a website. So from here, let's design ideas. Let's select design, click here, get started. So as you can see right here, you can choose a model, AI model selection. You will see your credit balance. So you can only, I think you can only do one with the free account. So let's say you want to do something like this from a person. So let's say like that, and you want the aspect ratio to be square, just click on generate. So we don't have, oh, you can't use this, you need to subscribe. So what happens now is you can create a photo with this description right here using AI. So whatever you describe, Appy Pie is going to generate it using AI. So those are some features that you can do using Appy Pie. And of course, you can always click here and automate. So you can automate your apps and of course build a chatbot. So we won't be going deeper about how to create a chatbot and automate, but I'm just going to show you what are the features you can do with Appy Pie. So again, if you want to create a website, just go here and build. If you want to design ideas or create photos with AI, go to design. If you want to automate apps or your workflows, go to automate. And if you want to build a chatbot, simply click here to get started. So just feel free to explore more about how you can use Appy Pie for your business needs. And you can now use Appy Pie to simplify all of your workflows. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.